All right, the time has finally arrived. It is the morning of the start of standing our CLT panels. So did everything I could to get a good night's sleep last night. Didn't really go to plan. This has been over nearly 2.5 years in the making, this project. And the whole project is based around the CLT construction. So yeah, we're here. The panels are on their way. The truck's just running a little bit late, but we're literally minutes away from the truck turning up. We got a big crane set up out the back. There's been a few little issues with that this morning. Had a lot of groundwater here. The ground's all soggy, so the cranes, we've had to do some things to sturdy the crane up. We got a big steel plate on its way for it to rest one of its legs on because the ground's so soft. But we got him in the backyard, so that's been stressing me out for the last few months because it's like millimetre. Like we literally had 20 millimetres either side of the crane to get it in between our slab and the property next door. It's all falling into place. So we've got a friend waiting at the front to unload the truck. The boys have gone through this morning. As usual, Brad's our lead carpenter's done a great job. We've colour coded all the fixings. We've been through all the boxes, we've been through all the details on the drawing so we know which fixing goes where. And even now this morning in the last half hour we've picked up on the engineering a little discrepancy with the fixing on the external corners, so there's been a lot of phone calls to get that sorted, and yeah, it's just all happening. So stay tuned because yeah, over the next 2 weeks this house is going to come together. We've got the crane on site for 2 weeks. We've got literally about a dozen deliveries, cranes, trucks, CLT panels, extra tie downs. We've got so much happening here, so it's going to be good to see it all come together, and in 2 weeks time we'll have a full building sitting here, so stay tuned.